Hi, I'm Tom from Aero Marine Tax Professionals. Currently, quite often, whether I've got prospective boat clients or aircraft clients, I'm hearing the same thing. I can't find anything for sale. The inventory is down. That's not possible for the inventory to be down. There's a misperception. And it could be that somebody's keeping that out there in the public because lack of inventory tends to stabilize or raise the prices. You got to always question what people say, okay? Because let's talk about this thing about inventory being down. Let's just say there's 10,000 aircraft or 10,000 boats on planet Earth. How many of those planes or boats would have to be destroyed in a year for the inventory to actually go down? 1,000, 500. Let's just say the new manufacturers add 100 or 200 every year to the total inventory. What would cause that inventory to go down? You'd have to be destroying an awful lot of property for that to actually happen. So when people tell you that something is down, ask them the math, ask them to verify, because what's really down is people's willingness that own the current inventory to sell it. Whose job is it to get someone to sell something? Someone needs to sell them on the idea of selling their airplane or their vessel. Just ask, Buyers are looking on their own now because they go to a broker and the broker's buying the deal of the inventory being down. What's really down is people's willingness to sell. So my suggestion as a broker of aircraft or vessels is look up all the people who have what you'd like to be selling and talk to them and convince them to sell it. Works boats or planes. It can be done. And I think that if you just listen to what I'm telling you and don't be afraid to make cold calls like that, your income will go up. And you'll thank me for pointing this out to you. But it's really obvious that inventory is not down. The actual inventory of planes or boats is not down. All you got to do is the math. And I can help you with systems and ways to find vessel or aircraft owners who own something that you'd like to sell and teach you how to do that if you don't know how to do it already. Or maybe you've forgotten that you knew how to do it. Or maybe you're just not hungry enough. But I'd love to help you. Whether you're a buyer or a broker, I'd love to help you. 916-691-9192 and find out why people say, call Tom.